All right, here we go. We got the Winchester Deer Season XP in 243, 95 grains. What we're doing is just trying out is it the same at 25 yards and 100 yards? You know, when you sight it in, some people sit there and say, I'll say it on it. But what we're going to do is just see, is it the same at 25 yards and at 100 yards? So y'all stick around and see how it goes down. The Bucks, the Bohemian Hunting Club, does not shoot. All right, here we go. This is, that's blurred out. That's it's two separate videos. I don't want y'all to get a sneak peek and see what's going on. But, all right, here we go with the Remington, the Winchester XP at 100 yards, where we're shooting at right here. 1-2 shots. Boom, boom. Now we're going to do it at 25 yards and see the difference in the shot if it hits in the same place. This is going along with that saying, you know, it's the same at 25 yards as it is at 100 yards. So that's what we're doing here. And there you go. Boom, boom. All right, here we go. At 25 yards now, Deer Season XP 243. Just seeing if this should hit about the same spot as the 100-yarders did. And that's what we're going to see with the whole saying, you know, it's the same at 25 yards as it is at 100. Again, the groups aren't going to be super tight, just for a simple reason is this isn't as, it shakes. And I like keeping everything, you know, as close to hunting conditions as possible. You know, because you're not going to be out in the woods. I mean, yeah, some people will be, but you're not generally going to be out in the woods with a heavy-duty rest and everything else where you take 1,000-yard shots out in the trees. Everybody knows that the hunts. Usually you're shaking anyway from buck fever. Okay, here we go. That sucks on the keyhole. That's a Winchester Deer Season XP keyhole right there. That's interesting. I had another one keyhole. I can't remember if that was Deer Season XP or not. The keyhole on that one as well. I don't know. Well, let's go take a look. All right, here we go again on this fine, hot, sunny day. Well, that is disturbing. It's a keyhole, perfect size of the bullet. Nice little 2D print right there for y'all. What the bullet looks like flying through air, sideways. We have the perfect print. All right, here we go on these. We're still at the same elevation. Basically, you see how at 100 yards, it was shooting over here, you know, roughly 2 to 3 inches to the right. So as you move in closer, the angle is going to be a little bit smaller. So yeah, we're generally shooting in the same area. So yeah, the Winchester Deer Season XPs are basically hitting. You can count on it, because if that was clicked in to 100 yards, was clicked in on 0, then these would have been popping right there too at the same thing. So I mean, it's the elevation is what the biggest deal is on that. So if it was zeroed in right here, these would be shooting the same. So yeah, can you shoot a deer season XP at 25 yards and it'll be the same at 100 yards? I would say yes on this, because like I said, yeah, right here they're not, because of the angle, because it wasn't zeroed in at 100 yards. So if it was zeroed in at 100 yards, these would have been hitting the same spot too, because you know, as you're angling out, as you get further and further, the angle is going to get wider. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Drink plenty of water, even if it's beer flavor. Drink plenty. Stay hydrated.